Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be sharing a superfood granola recipe. The first thing you're going to need is coconut, some peanut butter. If you're wondering why it's not in English, I'm in Germany. Next is cacao nibs. Then we're going to need quinoa, chia seeds, ground flax seeds, a bit of cinnamon, coconut oil. You actually don't need both of these, but I'm using honey and then this agave cacao coconut spread. It's delicious. You're gonna need one super duper ripe banana, some high quality salt, and then of course your grains. Now here I'm using this handy dandy mixer. We don't have any just oats in the house, so I'm using this mixture, and I recommend doing just plain rolled oats. I think that would turn out better, but this is just what I had in the house, so I went with it. Everything is going to be in the description below, but here I am just adding all the ingredients. I would recommend using a bowl to do this, but then you couldn't see what I'm doing, so I'm just using this lovely pitcher of some sort. Give this a good stir, and now we're onto the wet ingredients. I'm just going to mash up one banana. See, you can't see what I'm doing in the bowl. It's not fun. Okay, there we go. There we go. Grab your peanut butter and give it a stir if it's not the already stirred one. I hate when you have to stir it and there's oil on the top. And grabbing my saucepan, putting it to about medium to low heat, and just adding everything else. You're wanting to just melt everything down so it's easier to mix in with the dry ingredients. Like I said, now realizing I'm adding two kinds of sweetener to this, I just last minute wanted to add this cacao spread. It's so good. So yes, being extra sweet today. Now it's time to add everything together. And as you can see, I did grab a bowl to make it a little bit easier. Actually a lot of bit easier. You're just gonna wanna stir it until it comes this sticky texture, and like I said, using rolled oats would be better, but I didn't have any, so we're doing the untraditional granola today. Just laying that out on a pan. I pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes at 300 degrees, I think I did. And there you have it. It's all done. Now what I like to do is eat it with coconut yogurt or banana ice cream. Today, I'm doing the yogurt. It was delicious. And last but not least, add those cacao nibs because yum, and superfoods did. I'm sure you guys are wanting to know the exact ingredients. You can find that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye guys.